Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Younger Vivo. I'm back with another video, and this time around is the iPhone 12 Pro unboxing video. I did a questionnaire I think months ago of what you guys want on my YouTube channel, and a lot of people said they wanted the iPhone 12 Pro review, and I'm back right now with the iPhone 12 Pro. I want you guys to watch this video, drop comments, like, and in this video, I'll be telling you what I like about this phone and what I don't like about this phone. Okay, let's get straight into the unboxing video. So I'm going to be unboxing this. I come closer so you can see. This is the 12 Pro. As you can see, I'm going to be unboxing it carefully for my iPhone lovers. Now, let's go. Let's go. Yeah. This is the iPhone 12 Pro gold color. As you can see, it comes with a charger. Just a cord, no adapter. And you have the manual, and you can see how sleek. Comparing this pack to the 11 Pro and 11 packs, you can see that this one comes slimmer than the other iPhone series. And now this is the original. This is the almighty iPhone 12 Pro. Just take a look at this beautiful thing. Take a look at this. How beautiful. Now let's take a look at what the screen looks like. Oh my god. Can you see? It's the gold iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro rather, not 11. This is not 11. Now, as you can see, the major difference between this and the 11 Pro is the side, the edges. As you can see, the edges, because the 11 comes with the normal, Android kind of edge, like the 6 Plus, 7 Plus, but the 12 comes with the 5X kind of edge, which is actually insane. Yeah, so this is about it. This is about it here. I repeat, it just comes with a cord in it. And all this. Yeah, so I want to get straight into this. I want to tell you guys what I don't like about this phone. I just want to get straight into it, what I don't like about this phone. And the first thing is the fact that it just comes with this cord. It should have just come with a normal iPhone cord to me, or for me rather. iPhone cord, just put it straight into an adapter and plug it. But this time around, we're having this and we're having this. So you literally have to go look for an adapter that will fit into this before you can use this to charge the 12 Pro. And second one, it doesn't come with an adapter. That's another thing I don't like. And very importantly, it doesn't come with headphones. It's supposed to come with headphones. Every iPhone I know came with a headphone. Even the 11 Pro came with a headphone. The 12 seems to surprise everyone. In other words, Apple is trying to make everyone buy the charger, making everyone buy the earphones and everything. But either way, this phone is beautiful. It's beautiful. It's really, really beautiful. Yeah, that's the unboxing. It's really beautiful. It comes with here to protect the screen, and the manual. So this phone goes for like $1,000 on Apple Store. So you can actually go out there, go look for it and get it. Let me see. So this is all it just comes with. A very beautiful pack. This and this. So if you want to get it, you can get it. If you have an 11 Pro or you have an 11, you can just go swap it up and upgrade your phone. What if I just see this phone on the ground? But either way, thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Rather, thanks for watching this beautiful video. Do well to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. You know what time it is. Younger, anytime.